This video is going to be about how I turn chicken flavored noodles, like the box, into homemade chicken soup. So these already have little chicken chunks in it, so I'm not going to add any chicken into it this time. But if you want more chicken in your soup, you can add more chicken, obviously. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to be adding in my chicken broth into my pot. And while that's getting hot, I will be cutting up all my vegetables. So I'll show you what I do. Okay, and while this is getting hot and going to start to bubble, I will be cutting up my vegetables. Now that the broth is boiling, I chopped up my onion, so I will be adding, and I chopped up some celery and a garlic clove that I will be adding in as well. Now I'm going to put my heat to a simmer. Let this mix up. Okay, now I will be adding in my carrots. Now I will put my heat back up to a medium boil. Let it boil up all of my vegetables until it gets a little soft. And then I'll show you what I add in next. Okay, now I will be adding in the Lipton Soup Secrets. We're going to turn box soup into homemade soup. I will add 2 to start, and if I need more, I will add in some more.
For every 1 packet I put 2 cups of water.
And lastly, what I did was I added 2 eggs into the soup. Mix it around so it could be like egg drop soup. So I made a chicken noodle egg drop soup for this cold day in December. If you haven't liked this video on the way in, make sure you like it on the way out. And if you're not part of the Madness fam, make sure you smash that subscription and become part of the Madness fam.